Hello all, welcome back to Aspirant World. Today I will share all the important current affairs for 2nd June 2020. So let's start. PM Savanidhi. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched a special microcredit facility scheme, PM Savanidhi, PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, for providing affordable loans to street vendors. It is for the first time that MFIs, NBFCs, SHGs, banks have been allowed in scheme for the urban poor due to their ground level presence. The scheme would benefit vendors, hawkers, thelewale, and people involved in goods and services related to textiles, apparel, artisan products, barber shops, laundry services, etc. in different areas. PM Cares. The Prime Minister's office has clarified that the PM Cares Fund is not a public authority, even though the PM is the ex officio chairman and 3 cabinet ministers are its trustees. The PMO stated that the fund is not a public authority under Section 2H of the Right to Information Act 2005 in the reply to an RTI filed. PM Cares Fund was set to accept donation and provide relief during the COVID-19 pandemic and other similar emergencies. Minimum support price. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has marginally increased the minimum support price of more than a dozen crops for Kharif marketing season 2020-21. The MSP has been raised in the range of 2% to 7.5% for the Kharif crops based on the recommendation of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. The increase in MSP is in line with the Union Budget 2018-19 announcement of fixing the MSPs at a level of at least 1.5 times of all the India weighted average cost of production, aiming at reasonably fair remuneration for the farmers. Moody's rating. Ratings agency Moody's Investor Service downgraded India's sovereign rating from Baa2 to Baa3. The rating agency cited slow reform momentum, constant policy effectiveness, and slower growth compared to India's potential among the reasons for the downgrade. The rating has been downgraded in the context of the coronavirus pandemic. It was not driven by the impact of the pandemic. Ultra Swachh. Defense Research and Development Organization has developed a disinfection unit named Ultra Swachh to disinfect a wide range of materials including PPEs, electronic items, and fabrics. The system uses an advanced oxidative process consisting of multiple barrier disruption approach using ozonated space technology for disinfection. Cyclone Nisarg. The fast-moving depression in the Arabian Sea is predicted to be intensified into a severe cyclone named Nisarg. As per the India Meteorological Department, the impact of the cyclone is likely to be felt in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Cyclone Nisarga is expected to be weaker than Cyclone Amphan in strength and intensity. Mudra Shishu Loan. Center has announced Mudra Shishu Loan for small businesses and cottage industries so that shopkeepers do not suffer due to COVID-19 pandemic. A 1500 interest subvention for small businesses and cottage industries has been announced under the Mudra Shishu Loan. The government will offer 2% interest rate subvention for a period of 12 months to prompt loan pays under the Mudra scheme. Champions Platform. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the technology platform Champions to empower MSMEs. Champions stand for creation and harmonious application of modern processes for increasing the output and national strength. The portal is basically for making the smaller units big by solving their grievances, encouraging, supporting, helping, and hand-holding. It is a real one-stop shop solution of MSMEs industry. This ICT-based system is set up to help the MSMEs in a present difficult situation and also handhold them to become a national and international champion. So that's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, post it down below in the comment section. We will be posting such videos daily, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. You can also purchase the PDF of one-liners for an entire month from our website. Please check the link in description. Thanks for watching.